What's happened so far is I have an ASUS PRO31J laptop and I've got some cordial spilt on it, and since then it's had some intermittent power issues, basically powering off, cutting power every 5 to 10 minutes. It got worse after a while, so I have taken apart the laptop, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some methylated spirits and chucks wipes, just give the motherboard a clean over. It does have some cordial residue on the actual board, as you can see there. There's a bit there, PCB. And a little bit there as well. I'm going to give that a good clean over. And also, when I was turning the machine back on after the power failures, the time and date settings in the BIOS weren't coming back, so I've gone and got, that's the old battery. I've got another battery out of the machine which goes in here. So a few hours will be spent cleaning this once I get methylated spirits and some chucks wipes. That is all. And there's the rest of my laptop down here, which I have to put back together once I clean. It's a screen part. Anyways, just thought I'd let you in on a little bit of laptop repairing. Oh yeah.